Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Amarok Trendline, stock reference number 5445. The shape runs from the 12th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2016. It has a CDCA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual, 4-wheel-drive transmission. CDCA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror has one small scratch. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. A pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right-hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Kenwood touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.